Okay, just a quick update here at Opie's Toy Box. Today we are making our first toy with the 3D printer, and they can't see it under there yet and what it's going to be, but I don't know if you've ever heard of them or not, but they're called surprise eggs. It's a little egg that you open it up and it's got some kind of a little toy inside of it, and that's what this is. This printer is making a surprise egg. And I'll give you an update video as soon as this one gets done and show you the final product and what goes inside of it and what kind of surprise egg it's going to be. But this is officially the first toy we've made or making here at Opie's Toy Box. And hopefully some kid will enjoy it. But anyway, wanted you to know what was going on. That way you hadn't dropped off the face of the earth, because I hadn't did a video in a while. But I've been trying to learn this 3D printer, and it's basically not an easy task. I had to assemble the thing from scratch, which wasn't really that bad, the assembly. The hardest part I'm having is learning the functions and how to use it and get your first layer to stick correctly so that your print turns out good. So if anybody's got any tips or suggestions or tricks that they could leave in the comments for me, they would be greatly appreciated. But anyway, for now, that's a quick update and showing you the first toy we're actually making here. And I'll show you the final product in the next update video. So if you're new here, click subscribe and like and subscribe to the channel so that you'll get current updates as we do them. And if you have a social media account, which I'm sure everybody does if you're watching this, you've got to have probably a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube and all that good stuff. If you'll share this video and help us get subscribers and people for the channel, it would be greatly appreciated. So anyway, signing off. See you later.